how to activate launch control in a new 330i is actually pretty easy. So looking here, you'll want to put it in sport mode. You'll want to pull back, put it in sport transmission setting, which will show S1 up on the dash here. Then you'll want to press your traction control button. You'll want it to be traction, not DSC off. So traction control off. Foot all the way down on the brake. And when you're ready, take your foot for the gas. And you'll go all the way down. And you'll see your traction control rev up. And then you're good to launch. Pretty neat here. If you go here with your adaptive content, you can actually see it working, building boost for you and everything. So you'll get to see this one builds 7 pounds of boost, which is pretty neat. So let's give it a shot, see what it does. I might have done it too many times, but nevertheless.